Hello, this is Mrs. Girot, and this is just a brief summary of our March 7th class. First of all, we just want to make sure that you are signing up for March outings. We're super excited to get together and play laser tag and bowl and just have so much fun, and skating too. So please sign up. We all want to see our students at some point. And next, I want to remind you that we have some deadlines quickly approaching. Today is the 7th. Project 3 is due on the 13th, but you can get it done sooner and be done. Project 3 is the last thing that we're doing in class. And then all Dropbox assignments, that means projects, anything that I have to grade by hand, they are all due on Sunday the 18th. I will not accept them after that. So you need to prioritize right now and make sure that you have all of your project work submitted to me as soon as possible. You can still continue to work on tests and quizzes throughout that last week of school until the last day of the block, which is the 22nd of March, because I don't have to grade those. Those are automatically graded, so it does not hurt me at all to allow you to continue to work. So please prioritize and get your projects done first. Today, what we did in class is we played a little game of catch up. Students were really excited until they found out that we weren't actually going to play Sonic in class. But what we are doing is basically figuring out where you're at on the Monopoly game board. We did have some game pieces out here today, and it was kind of fun. Everybody moved their game pieces over to the area that they were working on, and it was based on that project report that I emailed to you today. You need to open up that project report, and you need to pick something to work on. So, for example, if you don't have an A on one of your tests, let's say you took it and got a 13, or you took it and you got a 31, or you took it and you got a 45. That's not an A. On that progress report, it tells you what an A is, and everybody in this class is capable of getting an A on those tests because there are videos. You just click on the video link on your progress report, and that will take you right to an instructional video that will walk you through taking those tests so that you can get an A. Once you have an A on those tests, the really cool bonus feature of having the A is that I will excuse any quizzes that you have F's on for that unit. So this is a really fun way for you to quickly pass go and collect $200, so to speak. That's a metaphor. There's not really $200, but all of those quizzes, and there are a lot of them, can easily be excused for you. And then we could also give you a gold star too, because I know some students like gold stars. So students worked in class today, and the goal in class was to either get an A on a test or work on a project and make some progress. So students had to text me a picture. If they were doing a project, they had to text me a picture of their beginning, like where they started at the beginning of class, and then text me a picture of where they were at the end of class. And then what we did is we spun the Wheel of Fortune, which was really cool. And we had 3 groups of students that I spun for. Students who had done tests, students who had watched instructional videos in preparation for completing a project, and students who actually worked on projects, got their pay out, and did that in class. So altogether, the 3 groups of students earned 60 extra credit points. So here's what you need to do. If you were not in class today, what you need to do by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, because students who are on yellow track, you deserve an opportunity, if you're not able to attend the class, to earn the same extra credit that those students did. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. If you complete 50 points worth of work between now and 4 o'clock, on Thursday, I'm going to take your progress report that I sent out this morning, and I'm going to compare it. I'm going to print off another progress report tomorrow at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? And if I see 50 points of progress in your grade, I'm going to award you 60 extra credit points. Okay? 50 points of progress by 4 o'clock tomorrow earns you 60 extra credit points. Not to mention the fact that if by earning at least 50 points of extra credit, you get an A on one of those tests, I'll also be excusing the quizzes for that unit. So that's what we did today, folks. So I look forward to looking at progress reports, comparing them tomorrow, and hopefully be honoring everybody extra credit. Take care.